Hello, and welcome back to the English Beat. I'm Sarah, your host for today's exciting episode, and I'm thrilled you decided to join us. If you're on a mission to speak English confidently and fluently, you're in the perfect place. Today, we're diving into 5 essential tips to be fluent in English, and every tip is simple, practical, and designed for learners like you. Whether you struggle with speaking, pronunciation, or confidence, this video will give you clear steps to level up your English right away. So, grab a pen, a notebook, maybe a comfy drink, like tea or coffee, because today's lesson is going to be full of powerful ideas. And yes, stay with me till the end, because I have a special bonus tip that can change the way you learn forever. Let's jump in. Tip 1. Practice speaking. Every single day. Our first tip might sound simple, but it's life-changing. Practice speaking every single day. English is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Most learners believe fluency comes from knowing thousands of words. Not true. Fluency is really about being comfortable expressing your thoughts, and the fastest way to get comfortable is to speak regularly, even if it's for just a few minutes. You don't need a native speaker. You don't need a fancy studio. You just need your voice. Start with something small. Describe what you're doing. I'm cooking dinner right now. Speak your thoughts. I'm planning to watch a movie tonight. Narrate your day. I had a busy morning, but I feel good. If you feel shy, talk in front of a mirror. It gives you a friendly audience that never judges you. Want to step it up a bit? Try language apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Even a 10-minute conversation with a language partner will build your confidence. Remember, consistency is the magic ingredient. Speaking daily, just like brushing your teeth, keeps your language muscles strong. Speak 5 to 10 minutes daily. Talk to yourself or use language apps. Tip 2. Listen and imitate native speakers. Tip number 2 is one of my favorites. Listen and imitate native speakers. Listening is like giving your brain a map. You learn the rhythm, emotion, and melody of English. You start noticing how natives connect words, shorten sentences, and use expressions naturally. You can find examples everywhere. Watch English TV shows like Friends or The Office. Listen to songs by Taylor Swift, Ed Sheeran, or Adele Use. Podcasts like The English We Speak or 6-Minute English. Here's a powerful method that thousands of learners use. Shadowing. Pick a short audio clip and repeat it sentence by sentence. Copy the accent, copy the tone, copy the emotion. If they say, "I had the best day ever," pause and repeat exactly the same way. It trains your tongue, your ear, and your brain all at once. Do this for just 5 minutes a day, and your pronunciation and fluency will transform faster than you expect. Shadow native speakers for 1 to 2 sentences daily. Tip 3. Learn common phrases, not just vocabulary. Tip number 3 will instantly make you sound more natural. Learn phrases, not words. Native speakers rarely speak word by word. They use ready-made expressions like, "How's it going?" "I'm starving," "No worries." Memorizing single words is useful, but learning phrases helps you speak faster, smoother, and more confidently. How do you learn phrases? Notice them in shows, movies, and podcasts. Write down 3 new phrases every week. Practice them in real life. Let's do a challenge right now. This week, learn these 3. What's the plan? I'm starving. No worries. Use them in your daily conversations, or even when talking to yourself. With phrases in your pocket, English becomes easier and more fun. Learn 3 new phrases weekly and use them. Tip 4. Embrace mistakes as your best teachers. Tip number 4 is the mindset shift that unlocks fluency. Embrace mistakes. Most learners freeze because they're afraid of getting things wrong. But mistakes aren't failures, they're feedback. Every mistake shows you what to improve. Think about kids learning to speak. They say funny, broken sentences all the time. And guess what? They learn anyway. You will too. If you say, "I go to the park," you might laugh at yourself, but next time, your brain will go, "Oh, right, went." That's learning in action. So talk freely. Make mistakes loudly. Enjoy the process. If you're uncomfortable, practice in low-pressure places. Talk to your pet. Talk to your plants. Record voice notes and listen back. Talk while walking alone. The only person judging you is you, so show yourself kindness. Mistakes mean growth. Mistakes equal learning. Speak freely. Tip 5. Set small, exciting goals. Our 5th tip is all about keeping you motivated. Set small, exciting goals. Fluency is a big dream, but you reach it with tiny steps. Small, achievable goals give you momentum and confidence. Here are some fun examples. Learn 5 new phrases this week. Shadow English audio for 3 minutes daily. Watch 1 English video without subtitles. Have a 2-minute English conversation with a friend. Write your goals down on sticky notes or in your phone. And when you complete one, celebrate. Get a snack you love. Watch a movie. Take a relaxing walk. These small celebrations train your brain to enjoy learning. Keeping a journal also helps. Write what you practiced each week and look back after a month. You'll be shocked by your progress. And here on the English Beat, we love cheering you on. So share your weekly goal in the comments. Set 1 small goal weekly and reward yourself. Bonus tip: build a positive mindset. And now, as promised, your bonus tip: build a positive mindset. Fluency isn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about how you feel when you speak. If you tell yourself, "English is too hard," your brain shuts down. But if you tell yourself, "I'm improving every day," you open the door to progress. Celebrate small wins. You understood a line from a movie? Great. You said a new phrase correctly. Amazing. You spoke for 10 seconds without hesitating. Wonderful. Surround yourself with positivity. Join English learning communities. Follow motivating accounts. Talk about your goals with friends. Fluency is not a race, it's a journey. Be patient, be kind to yourself, and enjoy every step. Stay positive. You're improving daily. Wow, we covered so much today. Let's do a quick recap of our 5 essential tips to be fluent in English, plus the bonus tip: speak every day, even if it's just to yourself. Listen to native speakers and shadow their sentences. Learn useful phrases, not just words. Embrace mistakes, they're part of the journey. Set small goals to stay motivated. And our bonus: keep a positive mindset. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today on the English Beat. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video, and tell us in the comments, which tip are you going to try first? What's 1 English goal you're setting this week? We read every single comment and love hearing from you. I'm Sarah, your host for today. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep beating those English goals. Bye for now.